it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 3, Episode 25. And we have a fun one for you. We are going to be decorating these 10 charger plates. Now these came from Hobby Lobby. They retail for $4.95, but because this is part of the fall tableware section, as you can see where it says that right there, they were half off, so they were like $2.50, and I bought 4 of them. So we're gonna use matte black Oracal 651 because, you know, who doesn't love a little bit of fall decor? And this is something you could easily sell or make for a gift. So I love this idea. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over how to make this. Okie dokie. So as you can see, I have my plate laid out, or my charger plate. I'm just spraying it down with some denatured alcohol. You can use whatever type of alcohol that you want. It just needs to be something that will clean the surface of oil. So I have already cut and weeded my design because it has so many tiny little letters. I wanted to make sure that it was done beforehand because, you know, that can always be pretty difficult on camera. So as you can see, I'm going down onto the plate very slowly. There we go. And now we're just going to squeegee it down. And part of the reason why I chose the matte black with this is I think it gives that extra little oomph to the design that I think it needs. Okay. And we're just going to slowly work our transfer tape off, because we want to do it slowly because this has curved edges, so you can have some issues with it if you're not doing it slow. You don't want to rip it all up. There we go. So look how cute. Oop. That part needs to be fixed. There we go. Look how cute that looks. Doesn't that look great? So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over how we made this. Look how absolutely adorable this came out. Isn't it precious? So this is something you can do for any holiday, any season, but I think it looks absolutely amazing. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every single weekday during Craftmas, and then the rest of the year it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tuesdays at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, we always do a live, but I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.